Assalamu alaikum students. In the previous lecture I had explained the difference between acid, base and salt. Today our topic is Arrhenious concept about acid and base. Students, I will explain you topic today, and at the end of lecture I will ask questions from you. If you answer correctly, then it means you have got the message. Today we will discuss about Arrhenious concept, about acid, base and limitation of Arrhenious concept. Students, Arrhenious presented his concept in 1787, and according to Arrhenious, what is acid? Acid is a substance that provides H positive in aqueous solution. Acid is a substance that provides hydrogen H positive in aqueous solution. Example of Arrhenious acid are HCl, CH3CHH, acetic acid, nitric acid, HNO3, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Why they are termed as acid by Arrhenious? Because they provide H positive ion. For example, HCl inverter H positive plus Cl negative, HNO3 inverter H positive NO3 negative, CH3CHH inverter CHCOO negative H positive. It means they all provides H positive in aqueous solution. That is why they are termed as acid by Arrhenious. What is base? Base is a substance that provides OH negative in aqueous solution, and according to Arrhenious, it provides OH negative. Examples, this is the equation, and examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, it is ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Why they are termed as base by Arrhenious? Because they provide OH negative. Example of this, sodium hydroxide Na positive plus OH negative equation. COH twice, arrow inverter, Ca positive, OH negative. And it provides to us, it is strong base. So students, you have just saw the difference between acid and base by Arrhenious. Now let's see a table. Welcome students. Arrhenious theory of acid. You can see Arrhenious was a Swedish chemist, put forward a theory of acids in the 1880s, stated that an acid is a substance that dissociates in water to form H positive ions. Arrhenious theories of bases. Arrhenious defined a base as a substance that dissociates in water to produce OH negative ion. For example, when sodium hydroxide is added to water, NaOH, arrowhead N positive, Na positive plus OH negative. In general, XOH, arrowhead X positive plus OH negative. Arrhenious bases. According to Arrhenious, a base is a compound that ionizes in water to yield hydroxide OH negative. Example, sodium hydroxide NaOH plus H2O, arrowhead Na positive plus OH negative. Table just shows some common bases. Formulas: sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide COH twice. But here you must think about ammonia NH3, aqueous ammonia. We will discuss it later, because according to Arrhenious concept of theory, there is some limitation, and it does not mention the explanation of ammonia or carbon dioxide. Students, I think you have got it better. Students, you have seen the table of acid and base by Arrhenious. Now let's see the limitation of Arrhenious concept. Arrhenious concept, there are two points in this limitation. Number one, this Arrhenious concept is right for aqueous medium, but it gives no explanation in non-aqueous medium. Second, according to concept of acid and base by Arrhenious, the acid and base are two compounds that provides H positive and OH negative. Acid provides H positive and base provides OH negative, but it provides no explanation about carbon dioxide, which is acid, and ammonia, that is a base. It provides no explanation in this way. So there is limitation of Arrhenious concept, but it is right that he paved the pathway for the next coming theories about acid and base. So the students know my answer questions system is there. My first question is that when did Arrhenious presented his concept about acid and base? Yes, in 1787. What is acid by Arrhenious? Acid is a substance that provides H positive What is base by Arrhenious? Base is a substance that provides OH negative. Give two examples of acid by Arrhenious. Yes, HCl, HNO3. Give two examples of base by Arrhenious, NaOH and CaOH twice. What is the limitation of Arrhenious theory? Does it provide any explanation in non-aqueous medium? No, it does not provide any explanation in non-aqueous medium. Does it explain about nature of carbon dioxide and ammonia? No, it does not explain about the nature of carbon dioxide and ammonia. It does explain only about the H positive and OH negative that provides acid and base. Students, you have viewed the lecture clearly, and anything explained you must see. Now let's move it again.